Hey, welcome back to my channel. Let's talk about this beautiful kit right here. The handle with the pearls is super cute, and the heart-shaped window looks absolutely amazing. It's a V-Day inspired kit, so everything in the set is about Valentine's Day. I never had a Valentine's Day nail kit before, so I was really excited for this one. This kit comes with 6 gel polishes, 1 base coat, 1 top coat, 1 cuticle oil, and a small UV LED lamp. There is also an essential nail tool kit, 10 nail remover clips, some stickers, a USB cable for the UV LED lamp, and a scratch card. If it's your first time doing nails or you're a beginner, don't worry, the kit also comes with a manual. There you will find information on how to use everything, about the gel application, steps on how to remove the gel polish, Q's&A's, tips and warnings. Now in this bag you'll find a double-sided dotting tool and brush, some tweezers, a magnet for the cat eye gel polish, a cuticle pusher, a cuticle trimmer, a nail file, a tiny container with chrome powder, and a few nail remover wraps. I was struggling a bit to get this open, so I had to use my cuticle pusher. I did try to use my nails, but then I remember nails are not tools, so be aware of that. The lamp comes with a 60 and 90 seconds timer. So this is the menu. Here you will find everything you need to know. There is also a bit of information on the back of the box, and there is also a manual for the UV LED lamp. So that was the unboxing, and now we will do some swatches. So here they are, beautiful and cute. If you want them, get yourself a box, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.